Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 10. If x ratio y ratio z is equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4, evaluate 9x plus 3y all over 6z minus 2y. A, 1 whole number 1 over 2, B, 2, 3, C, 2 whole number 1 over 2, and D, 3. Now, since it is said that x ratio y ratio z is equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4, it simply means that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equals to 4. Now with this we can simplify this. So we are given 9x. It simply means 9 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by y, which is y is 3, all over 6z, that's 6 multiplied by 4 minus 2y, that is 2 multiplied by 3. So this is equal to 18 plus 9 all over 24 minus 6, and this is equals to 27 all over 18. Now there's a common factor for 27 and 18, and that is 9. 9 in 27 will give us 3, and 9 in 18 will give us 2. So this is equals to 3 all over 2, which is equals to 1 whole number 1 all over 2, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.